Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So if you're brand new to the world of screen recordings and you're using something like OBS, it can be a pretty large learning curve at the beginning. And one of the biggest problems that I had, and I didn't think it would be a problem, was actually getting my audio of my voice to sync up with what's on my video. So what I'm talking about here is you have a webcam, and instead of using the built-in microphone of the webcam, maybe you want improved audio, so you have an external mic like I have here. But the problem is, whenever I recorded this, just default, I noticed that my voice was not syncing up with my lips on the video. And so that has to do with the fact that your video is being captured by the webcam and the audio is being captured by a different device. And so what you have to do is sync those things up. And I'm going to show you how to do that. And initially, it took me a while to figure this out. And then when I actually found out how to do this, it was pretty simple. But it still takes a little going into the settings. And so what you do is, once you do have OBS up, you'll go to Mic Aux. And you come down here to your settings. And what you do is you'll go to Advanced Audio Properties. And the one that you want to look at is right here, Sync Offset Milliseconds. And so what you want to do is set off a delay time between your audio and your video. So in this case, it's 330 milliseconds. Now, you might want to play around with the times, but what I found out is in the 330 to 340 range is where it works best for me. So let me show you how this looks without it. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this, and I'll just leave it like this. And what you might start seeing is the fact that the audio doesn't necessarily sync up exactly with the video. However, whenever I put the sync back on, you will see that it should be closer, or it matches up with what I'm actually saying on the video. So that's a real easy way in which you can actually set up your audio to sync with your video. And like I said, you're going to have to play around with it, but at least in my case, most of the times, if it's around the 330 milliseconds range to 340, it worked. And I've even tried like 320 milliseconds. So you kind of have to play around with it, but that's how you get your audio set up and get it to sync with your video. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, or maybe any other tips that you had when it comes to screen recording, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And if you wanted to see my OBS tutorials, I will also leave that playlist in the description as well. So if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Gold Content Creators Group, where you'll get access to 30 videos plus additional content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Gold Content Creators Group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to GeekOutdoors.com, and I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.